ProDot stall, and with me Aarushi. She's the next generation in the ProDot team, and she take care of all the new innovation, all these things. Let's understand how the Make in India is important for the ProDot, what they have taken the new innovative things in the Make in India.
So our journey began from ribbon cartridges, 30-year-old brand, which was iconic for its blue color. And it's been 30 years, and now we're the largest manufacturer in India for printer cartridges and keyboards and mouse, and selling about 1 truck each of keyboard, mouse and printer cartridges across India. And it gives me immense pleasure, and I feel proud to say that the replacement rate is also quite low. We're selling across India with 1,000 people working with us, and their families are still with us. So recently we've added networking cables, Cat6 CCTV into the portfolio, and now we're planning to add more cables, surge protectors and surge sockets and everything, and all sorts of cables, LAN, HDMI. So exploring that space as well. So I think that is the new thing, because it's a huge booming market right now. So right now we have a capacity of about 50 million products, and we are planning to expand and set up another unit rather, and have more products and more lines, more automated machinery, skilled manpower. So maybe like double, triple our capacity, current existing capacity. I think ProDot is synonymous with the Made in India products. That's how we are known. That's our core strength and a very important value for us. So all our products that you see, from cartridges to keyboard, mouse to cables to adapters, everything is proudly made in India, I would say. And right now we are expanding and getting more products into the foray which are made in India. And yeah, it's going really well, and we hope that this positive wave of Made in India products takes us along. I think they've become more responsive, receptive towards Indian products. Earlier, nobody used to bother if it's actually made in India or China, but now people actually see at the back, see the country of origin, where is it exactly from. So their awareness is now coming in. Absolutely, with PLIs coming in, with incentive schemes coming in, with industrial hubs being planted, India is absolutely at the edge, wherein we are going to be the next manufacturing hub, and we're slowly taking leaps and bounds in that space as well. I think a lot of things have changed, but the basic principles and values stay the same. The GNT, the general trade business, stays the same. Although there are new variations to it, there are new adjustments that we have to do to it. So that has changed, but the core values, I would say, still remain the same. I think now is actually the right time that we're thinking of exporting. We are exporting to a number of countries in the Southeast Asia, but we want to enter a lot into Africa also. Doing well in Sri Lanka now. Nepal was something that we had achieved earlier. Now Bhutan. So there are a number of nations that we're adding into our portfolio of customers, and yeah, we intend to go big now. I would say it's not a very easy thing, but it's certainly doable. So all we have to do is stay positive, stay motivated, because that's something that you often lose at the end of the day, but next day is a new day. So that's all we have to do. Keep ourselves busy and tight and motivated throughout.
For more information, please visit www.imagingsolution.in.